In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar. Whether you're aiming to enhance its visual appeal or better organize your events, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in by changing the colors of your calendar, which is a straightforward way to personalize it. When you open Google Calendar, navigate to the My Calendars section on the left. As you scroll through your list of calendars, hover over the one you want to customize. You'll notice three little dots appearing next to it. Go ahead and click on them. This brings up a palette of colors. You can pick any color you like from these options, or if you have a specific shade in mind, click the plus symbol to enter a hex code. It's a neat little tool that can make your schedule not just functional but visually pleasing. Now, if you're someone who juggles different aspects of life, creating sub-calendars could be incredibly beneficial. Look for the plus sign next to other calendars and click on it, then choose Create New Calendar. Here you can give your new calendar a distinct name and perhaps a brief description. Once you've done that, hit Create Calendar and voila, you've got a new sub-calendar ready to go. Let's move on to view options. These settings can significantly change how you perceive your schedule. At the top right corner of your Google Calendar, you have the ability to switch between different perspectives such as day, week, month, year, schedule, or even 4 days. Clicking on any of these gives you a new way to see your agenda, allowing you to find what works best for you in terms of planning and overview. For a touch of fun and personalization, you might want to add emojis to your events. Begin by clicking the Create button and selecting Event. As you fill out the event details like the title and time, consider using emojis in the event title for a splash of personality. To do this, use the emoji picker by pressing Command plus Control plus space on a Mac or the Windows key plus period on a Windows PC. Once you've added the perfect emoji, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your efforts are locked in. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now got all the tools you need to make your Google Calendar not just an organizational tool, but a personalized space that reflects your unique style and keeps you on top of your schedule. As always, feel free to revisit any steps if you need a refresher and have fun customizing.